Want to become a millionaire in your 20s? It's possible, but not the way most people tell you. Investing in index funds alone won't get you there by 25. You need to build serious income first, then invest aggressively. Today I'm breaking down the real path to hitting $1 million before 30. This means starting businesses, developing high-income skills, and making smart investment choices. Most teenagers waste their most valuable years. You're about to learn how to use them to build life-changing wealth. Let's dive in. The reality? You need big income. Let's be brutally honest. If you invest $200 a month in index funds starting at 16, you'll have money by retirement, but you won't be a millionaire by 25. The math doesn't work. To become a millionaire in your 20s, you need to generate serious income. We're talking $5,000, $10,000, or $20,000 monthly while you're still young. That doesn't come from a regular job. It comes from building businesses and developing skills that pay premium rates. The good news? As a teenager, you have time to learn, fail, and build without major consequences. No rent, no family to support, minimal expenses. This is your window to take massive action and build income streams that will carry you to $1 million. And step 1, start a real business. The fastest way to generate serious income as a teenager is starting a business. Not a lemonade stand, a real business that solves real problems. E-commerce is massive. You can start a dropshipping store, create a print-on-demand brand, or flip products online. The key is finding a profitable niche and marketing it well. There are teenagers making $10,000 to $50,000 monthly with successful online stores. Service businesses work great too. Social media management for local businesses, video editing for content creators, web design, graphic design. These businesses require minimal startup capital and can scale quickly. Charge $500 to $2,000 per client, get 5 to 10 clients, and you're making serious money. Content creation can explode. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page in a specific niche. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. Some teenage creators are making 6 figures annually. The key is committing fully to one business idea for at least 6 months to a year. Most people fail because they quit too early or keep jumping between ideas. Pick something, go all in, and figure it out as you go. Now, step 2, develop high-income skills. While building your business, focus on developing skills that can generate premium income. These skills will serve you for life and can be monetized immediately. Copywriting is incredibly valuable. Businesses pay thousands for sales pages, email sequences, and marketing copy that converts. Learn persuasive writing, and you can charge $1,000 to $5,000 per project. Start by writing for free to build a portfolio, then start charging. Video editing is in massive demand. Every business needs video content now. Learn editing software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut, and you can easily charge $50 to $200 per video. Scale that to multiple clients and you're making thousands monthly. Coding and web development pay extremely well. Learn JavaScript, Python, or web development frameworks, and you can freelance for serious money. Developers can charge $75 to $200 per hour even without a degree. Sales is the ultimate high-income skill. If you can sell, you can make money in any industry. Many sales positions offer commission-based pay where top performers make 6 figures. Learn sales fundamentals and you'll never worry about money. Digital marketing encompasses SEO, paid advertising, and social media marketing. Businesses desperately need people who can drive traffic and sales online. Master these skills, and you can charge $3,000 to $10,000 monthly per client. And step 3. Get extremely good. Here's where most people fail. They learn the basics and stay mediocre. To make serious money, you need to become exceptionally good at your chosen skill or business. Consume content obsessively. Watch every YouTube video, read every article, take courses from people who are actually successful. Spend at least 2 hours daily learning and studying your craft. Practice deliberately. Don't just go through the motions. Focus on improving specific weaknesses. If you're learning video editing, recreate edits from top creators. If you're learning copywriting, hand copy famous sales letters to understand the psychology. Get feedback from people better than you. Join communities, find mentors, hire coaches if necessary. Learning from people ahead of you accelerates your progress dramatically. Study successful people in your field. How did they get their first clients? How do they market themselves? What do they charge? Model what works and add your own twist. Treat this like a real career, not a hobby. Put in 40 to 60 hours weekly between your business, skill development, and client work. While your friends are partying and playing video games, you're building your fortune. Step 4. Scale your income aggressively. Once you're making your first 1,000 or 2 monthly, don't get comfortable. Scale aggressively. Raise your prices regularly. As you get better and build a portfolio, you should be charging more. If you're fully booked with clients, you're too cheap. Double your prices and see what happens. Get more clients. Improve your marketing, ask for referrals, expand your outreach. If you're making 2,000 monthly from 2 clients, get 8 clients and make 8,000 monthly. Create passive income products. Turn your knowledge into courses, templates, or digital products. Sell these on platforms like Gumroad or your own website. This creates income that doesn't require trading hours for dollars. Hire help when needed. If you're maxed out on client work, hire other freelancers to help fulfill projects while you focus on sales and growth. This lets you scale beyond your own time limitations. Reinvest profits into growth. Use earnings to run ads, buy better equipment, take advanced courses, or pay for mentorship. Every dollar reinvested accelerates your growth. And step 5, now invest in index funds. Once you're generating serious income, 5 to 20,000 monthly or more, this is when index fund investing becomes powerful for building that million. Open a brokerage account with Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. If you're under 18, you'll need a custodial account with a parent. Invest in low-cost index funds that track the total stock market. These funds give you exposure to hundreds or thousands of companies and have historically returned about 10% annually. Invest aggressively. If you're making 10,000 monthly and your expenses are minimal, invest 6 to 8,000 monthly. At that rate, you'll hit your first 100,000 in less than a year, and momentum builds from there. Set up automatic investments so money moves from your business account to your investment account every month. Remove the decision-making and make it systematic. Don't touch these investments. This is your wealth-building account. Let compound interest work its magic while you focus on growing your income even more. The math to $1 million. Let's run realistic numbers. Say you spend ages 16 to 18 building your skills and business. By 19, you're making 5,000 monthly profit. You invest 3,000 monthly while living lean. By 21, you've scaled to 10,000 monthly and you're investing 7,000. By 23, you're at 20,000 monthly and investing 15,000. With these numbers and market returns, you could realistically hit $1 million in net worth by 26 to 28. Not quite 25, but close, and you'll be generating massive income on top of that million. The point is this: becoming a millionaire in your 20s requires building serious income first, then investing aggressively. You can't invest your way there on a normal salary. Final thoughts. Becoming a millionaire in your 20s isn't about getting lucky. It's about making strategic decisions as a teenager that compound over time. Start a business, develop premium skills, get exceptionally good, scale aggressively, and invest everything you can. This path requires sacrifice. No partying every weekend, no buying stupid stuff, no coasting through your teenage years. But the payoff is financial freedom before 30, while everyone else is just starting their careers. The choice is yours. You can follow this path and become a millionaire, or you can do what everyone else does and wonder why you're broke at 30. If this video fired you up, hit that like button and subscribe for more real wealth-building content. Comment below with what business or skill you're going to start building today. Now stop watching and go take action. Your $1 million future starts right now.